FFmpeg is the ultimate multimedia framework. 60,000 GitHub Stars, 546 decoders, 562 filters. And version 8.1 Hoare just dropped. It can decode, encode, transcode, stream, and filter anything. From ancient formats to cutting-edge codecs like AV1 and VVC. The GitHub repo shows massive community activity. 13,800 forks, over 120,000 commits, and hundreds of contributors pushing code daily. 3 main tools, FFmpeg for conversion, ffplay for playback, and ffprobe for analysis. Use them from any terminal. Common commands everyone needs: convert a video with this simple command. Compress with H.264. Extract audio to MP3. Trim clips without re-encoding. Resize video. Add watermarks. For developers, FFmpeg provides libraries like libavcodec for codecs, libavformat for containers, and libavfilter for effects. It even supports GPU acceleration through Vulkan. The official website at ffmpeg.org has documentation, downloads, and community resources. Install it now. On Linux, apt install ffmpeg. On Mac, brew install ffmpeg. On Windows, choco install ffmpeg. The Universal Multimedia Toolkit.